have a new subscription box. This is the Walmart beauty box. I saw this from Riri. She was doing her spring box, so I will link her in the down box if you guys want to check her out. But they have a seasonal box. This is $6.99, I want to say, and it comes every 4 months to your house. And yeah, let's check out what I got. I'm excited to see what's in here. Her box looked really good. She got like a full size like CoverGirl mascara and then some other stuff, and I was like, ooh, why am I not subscribed to that? So this is Beauty and Bloom is like the little paper in here. And then I want to say, are those my products or are these sneak peeks? So this is Springtime Radiance. So apparently, I don't know if this is everything that's supposed to be in here or not, but let's go ahead and check it out. Oh, I don't know if I'm missing something. I see the Sally Hansen nails and I saw that Riri had them, and now I don't see mine in here. So I'm a little bummed. I'm a little bummed because I thought you're supposed to get like a full-size product. Mwah. Okay, so first thing is the Mighty Patch. These are like little patches for when you get a zit. I love using these. I don't really get zits, but when I do, these are such a little miracle worker. So I usually just like pop it on. It comes with 6 of these and it's supposed to help absorb pimple gunk in 6 to 8 hours. And then you just wipe it, like you take it off and the gunk is on there, so you don't like squeeze the pimple, and it's treating it all in one. So really love these. I love the ones that are also like in little shapes, like little hearts and stars and Hello Kitty. Those are super cute. So yeah, so this is the first thing in here. Next we have the Dove Advanced Care Dry Spray in Cool Essentials. So this actually has aluminum. I think I'm gonna use it. I don't really use aluminum underneath my arms, but this is a little tiny one, so I'm not opposed to it. And it says it's 72-hour protection. So it's just a cute little tiny aerosol kind of deodorant. Okay, that's nice, and it has a really nice, clean, cool cucumber scent to it. Next we have the, this is like a little tiny sample. This is the Goldie by Stephen Madden, and I love mini sprays like this. I love trying out a good new fragrance. It says an intoxicating floral woody fragrance. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit. Where's the little hole? Okay. We're just gonna spray a tiny bit and see if I get any of those notes. Wow, that is strong. This is borderline masculine. It's more woodsy than anything else. I would pair this with like a vanilla or something to make it a little bit more softer, but it's supposed to be like floral and woody, and I mainly get the wood notes from here. So that is nice. And then I have this tiny little travel size. What are you? Oh, this is the Garnier Micellar Water. This is the all-in-one to remove makeup. It's a little mini size of it. I like the micellar water, so that's nice. And then the last thing in here is the NYX Duck Plump. And this is just in clear. It says clearly spicy, and it's a little mini one of it. So it says extreme sensation, which kind of scares me. So let's go ahead and apply a little. I'm trying not to get too much on the wand because I don't like getting them dirty. So far, I don't feel much. Okay, I'm starting to feel the plump aspect of it, like the what's it called? Like the tingling onto the lips. This one is pretty strong, so if you don't like it, I would steer clear of the duck plump, because I only applied the tiniest amount, and I can already feel like my upper lip and bottom lip in the middle just start, woo, she is strong. And let me know your thoughts on the box that I got. I think it's an okay box. It's $7, and I got a deodorant, the micellar water, this small duck plump, which is like tingling my lips like crazy, the little tester perfume, and then the 6 patches of the pimples. So overall, an okay box. I guess I was like, in my mind, wanted a full-size product and I didn't get one, but overall, I think for $7 you get a good variety of products. We'll see when I get the summer one, and I'll kind of update you guys as I keep getting them. If there's any other subscription that you guys know of that isn't too pricey or you guys want to see more of, let me know. I've actually thought about getting the Ipsy Glam Bag or the what's that called, the big box from Ipsy, so the premium kind of box. So I'm not sure whether you guys want to see those or not. Let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're new here, I'd love to have you subscribe. I have socials down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.